Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can check for different values inside of the keys and the values in a dictionary. Okay, so let's get started. So we are having another keyword, which is the in keyword, which we can use here. So we can just print, okay, and let's see what we can do. Let's try to search for the brand. So if the brand in car details, okay, so if I just do that, run the program, as you can see we are getting true. Okay, so basically it is searching for the brand inside of the car details dictionary keys, okay, not inside of the values. So if I just do something like 1964, which is inside of the values basically, right, it will give us false. Also, if I just do something like ABC, something which does not exist inside of the keys of the dictionary, that will be also false. Okay, this is good. So this is how we can check for a key inside of the dictionary. Also, what we can do something like dot keys here as well. So it is a little bit more specific, right? We are checking for the keys, right? But by default, it checks for the keys. Now, in case if you want to check some value inside of the values of these key value pairs, so how you can do that? You can do that quite simply. We have done that before, right? We have learned about the values method inside of the dictionary. So we can do something like print. Once again, we can do something like, what we can do? We can add the value. First of all, let's do something like for in car details dot values. Okay, so we are checking if the Ford is inside of the values of this dictionaries, which it does, right? So run the program. As you can see, we are getting true here. Once again, it is case sensitive, so FORD with the small f, we will get false. Okay, so all right, so this is how we can check for different things here. Okay, so let's add a if statement to check for the model. Okay, so if model in car details, then we can print something like yes. Model is one, okay, not this one of the keys. Okay, all right, as you can see we are getting yes, model is one of the keys. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So in that way we can check for the keys and the values inside of the dictionary. Okay, so we have to use the in keyword to do so.